Hi, I'm Beardy Cavill. This case was provided by Corsair. This is the 4000 series, the 4000D. So I am not a PC building expert or anything. Like, I don't know what this is. So we've got I've gone for the RoG Strix X870F. There we go. There we go. So Corsair provided the RAM as well, very much appreciated. This is the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. You know, people are like, oh yeah, building a PC is like building Lego. Begin installation with socket facing to you as shown. All right, it's upside down. Hi, I'm Beardy Cavill. I've got the Ryujin 2 240, which I have in my gaming PC already. It's a beast, it's awesome. Ah, look at this bad boy. Yeah. It's very cool, it's very cool. My little anime girl on the side. But Asus RoG actually sent this out. There we go. I mean, from this side, it's looking all right.